Welcome to the India Money Factory. Every Indian 500 rupee note starts with carefully selected cotton fibers. These premium fibers provide strength and long-lasting durability. The fibers are mixed with purified water inside industrial pulpers. This creates a uniform paper-making slurry. Refining improves fiber bonding and paper strength. This step ensures the future banknote can withstand years of use. The refined pulp is transformed into a continuous sheet of currency paper. Water removal begins immediately during sheet formation. A specialized security thread is embedded directly into the paper. This feature helps authenticate genuine currency. Watermarks are created by varying paper thickness. They become visible when the note is held against light. The paper is dried using precisely controlled heat. This stabilizes its structure for future printing.
Advanced scanners inspect every centimeter of currency paper. Any defect is detected before printing begins.
Approved currency paper is prepared for secure transfer. Each roll is tracked and documented. The currency paper enters one of the world's most secure printing facilities. Now the note begins receiving its printed design. The first layer adds the note's background design. High-speed offset printing ensures precise color placement. Multiple color layers built the banknote's intricate appearance. Each pattern is aligned with microscopic precision. The reverse side receives its detailed design elements. Both sides must align perfectly. Every printed color layer is checked for perfect alignment. Even microscopic deviations are automatically detected.
The freshly printed sheets are carefully dried. This prevents smudging during later printing stages. Special security inks are added to the banknote. Some features become visible only under ultraviolet light.
Ultraviolet features provide another layer of protection. They help distinguish genuine notes from counterfeits. Microtext features are nearly impossible to reproduce accurately. These details require highly specialized equipment. Complex gouache artwork strengthens security. The patterns require exceptional printing accuracy. Additional motifs enhance note authentication. Multiple security layers work together to protect the currency. Automated systems verify every security element. Inspection accuracy reaches microscopic levels. Automated systems verify every security element. Inspection accuracy reaches microscopic levels. Approved sheets are organized for the next stage. Each stack is carefully tracked. The next stage introduces raised printing. Intaglio technology creates the note's distinctive texture. Intaglio plates contain deeply engraved security designs. These grooves will transfer raised ink onto the note. The engraved plates are installed with extreme precision. Even slight misalignment is unacceptable. Intaglio inks are thicker than ordinary printing inks. They create the note's tactile raised features. The engraved grooves are filled with specialized ink. Excess ink is removed before printing. Extreme pressure transfers ink from the engraved plates. This creates the raised texture unique to genuine currency. The portrait section is printed using high-pressure intaglio technology. Raised details make the note easier to authenticate. Raised denomination markings improve security and recognition. These tactile features are difficult to replicate. Tactile marks help users identify the note by touch. They are created using the same intaglio process. Decorative security elements are added in the final intaglio stage. Every detail contributes to note authentication. The thick intaglio ink requires controlled drying. This preserves the raised texture. Automated systems verify the height of raised features. Consistency is essential for security and usability. Every printed element is compared against strict standards. Even tiny defects can trigger rejection. Any sheet that fails inspection is removed immediately. Strict quality control protects currency integrity. Only approved sheets proceed to the next security stage. Each stack is tracked throughout production. Specialized security inks are prepared separately. These inks create color-changing effects. Optically variable ink provides advanced counterfeit protection. The color appears different from various viewing angles. Color-shifting elements are printed with specialized pigments. These effects are difficult to duplicate.
The specialized ink is carefully cured. This ensures long-term durability and performance.
Latent images become visible only from specific viewing angles. They provide another powerful security layer.
Multiple technologies verify every security feature. Only perfectly printed sheets move forward.
Infrared technology verifies additional hidden security components. These features help detect counterfeit reproductions. Advanced cameras inspect every printed detail. Precision quality control protects the integrity of the currency.
Color-shifting security features are carefully verified. Each effect must respond correctly to changing light.
Hidden latent images undergo final verification. These subtle features provide another layer of protection. Inspection data from multiple systems is reviewed. Only flawless sheets can continue. Any sheet that fails inspection is securely removed. Strict standards ensure only quality currency proceeds. Proved sheets are prepared for unique identification. The next stage gives every note its own serial number. Numbering systems are calibrated for precise operation. Every note will receive a unique identity. Unique serial numbers are printed onto every note. No two banknotes share the same identification.
Multiple serial number positions improve traceability. Every print must match perfectly.
Unique serial numbers are printed onto every note. No two banknotes share the same identification.
Multiple serial number positions improve traceability. Every print must match perfectly. Automated systems verify every serial number. Accuracy is checked at high speed.
Any numbering error triggers automatic rejection. Quality standards remain uncompromising. Successfully numbered sheets are prepared for final processing. Every batch remains fully traceable.
The sheets are now ready to be transformed into individual banknotes. Precision cutting will separate every 500 rupee note. Precision cutting begins with exact sheet alignment. Every cut must match strict dimensional standards.
Initial trimming removes excess paper margins. This prepares the sheets for final note separation. Large printed sheets are divided into note panels. Each stage increases cutting precision. The final cutting stage creates individual banknotes. Each note now has its finished dimensions. Each individual note receives a final visual inspection. Automated systems verify print accuracy and cutting quality.
Any note with imperfections is automatically rejected. Only approved currency advances to packaging.
Electronic counters verify the exact quantity of notes. Every bundle must contain the correct amount.
The counted notes are organized into uniform stacks. Precise alignment ensures efficient packaging.
Each stack is secured with protective straps. This keeps the notes organized during handling.
Bundle quantities are verified one final time. Accuracy remains essential until the final stage.
Tamper-evident packaging protects finished currency. Security remains critical throughout distribution. Individual bundles are combined into larger shipment units. Automated handling improves efficiency and security. Finished currency packs are prepared for secure transport. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Security seals protect the currency during transportation. Tracking systems monitor every shipment. Gent. From raw cotton fibers to finished currency, every 500 note undergoes extraordinary precision manufacturing.